Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Appst Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear your My AI data on Snapchat. So let's get started right away. If you wish to clear your My AI data, then you can tap on the Snapchat application on your smartphone. And if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your credentials to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the homepage from which you can directly start posting your stories. From the homepage, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner and you will be taken into your profile page. Now tap on the gear icon at the top right to end up within the settings option. From the settings page, if you scroll all the way down, you will find various options underneath account actions. From there, you can tap on clear My AI data and this will clear your data for My AI. Just tap on the confirm button and this will delete all of your chat conversations that you have had with My AI. And now if you go back to My AI, your conversations will begin from the very start. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete all of your data for My AI on your Snapchat account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.